die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 easy to get into entry-level men's fragrances. Before I actually talk about the fragrances, I just want to mention that each of these fragrances can be found here in Australia for under $60 Australian. Definitely check out eBay, but also Priceline and Chemist Warehouse as well. So starting things off is my fragrance of the day as well, Versace's Eros. So not only does it smell fantastic with vanilla, mint and apple, but it also has an iconic design. Performance is very solid at 8 hours. It's one of those fragrances that nobody can dislike. I mean, I'm sure there are people that actually dislike it because not everybody can love everything, but I've never not received a positive compliment whilst wearing this. Just, it smells incredible. It's a good performer, it projects well, and just the regular Eros EDT is great value. I'd recommend this over the Parfum or the Eau de Parfum as well. So yeah, fantastic scent for the money. Next up is the cheapest fragrance of the bunch, Guess Seductive Homme. Now keep in mind this is just the regular Homme, not Homme Bleu, Red or Noir. And just the regular Homme smells warm, spicy, with some woods and florals as well. I'm actually going to spray this one. You can generally find this at Priceline for about $30 on sale, and at Chemist Warehouse for a similar price as well. Yeah, it's a little generic, it's a little generically masculine, but you're going to get compliments for this one. It smells great, and nothing else really needs to be said. It smells great for the price. Performance is average at about 5 to 6 hours, but when you're only paying about $30 for a fragrance, performance isn't the #1 consideration. And last but not least, we've got CK1 Summer. Now, when it comes to CK1 Summers, it's a yearly release, an annual release, so there's a different one every year, and it always smells a little different as well. This is like CK1 Summer 2017, I think. It smells like a pina colada a little bit, and yeah. All in all, these CK1 Summer scents are great value. You can pick up a bottle for about $40 Australian. They're not the most popular fragrances around, so they're good if you want to stand out from the crowd a little bit. They're fresh, clean and versatile. Performance is usually around the 6-hour mark, which makes them pretty solid buys. Anyway, I really like these unisex scents, and if you're looking to get into unisex scents, there are a lot worse places to start than CK1 Summer. So yeah, those are just 3 easy to get into men's fragrances. If you've ever worn them before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.